Welcome back to our channel, Retired and Loving It. We're on our back deck today. We are here celebrating our 1-year anniversary on YouTube. Yay!
Happy 1 year to us.
I'm Terry.
And I'm Keith.
On April the 8th, 2020, we posted our first video on YouTube. It's hard to believe it's been a year. And we were in quarantine, which is crazy to start a YouTube channel, a travel YouTube channel, in the middle of quarantine. However, we did the best we could.
We did. Our first video was actually titled Retired and Quarantined.
Then we went on to post some retirement hacks. We were newly retired. We thought, okay, from our home, we can give some information, some tips on how to retire. And so we did a series of 5 videos on retirement.
Yeah, retirement hacks.
And then we went to our historic hometown because there was places that we could go and film that was outdoors and we would be socially distanced. So we did several videos on that as well.
Our hometown of Corydon, Indiana has so much history into it, so we was able to get a lot of videos from our hometown.
And we also went to other places that were local and filmed there as well. So after 1 year, we have 373 subscribers and 62 videos. It is our goal to post 1 video a week, and we post on Fridays. And so we met that goal, even though we were in the middle of a pandemic and a quarantine. And in the winter time, when it was really cold outside, there was a couple times we had ice and snow. We did some cooking recipes.
Yeah, I remember our first live interview. That was really new to us. We stepped out a little bit. We never thought we would be able to do live, but we did our first live interview.
That was definitely out of our comfort zone, but we appreciate Full-Time Dream for asking us to join us on their channel for that live interview.
Then also we had some highlights that I remember. Really our first full-time out of the state of Indiana. We went and saw the SpaceX Launch. That was amazing.
Very cool.
It was our first time at Cape Canaveral seeing a true launch of a rocket ship, and making history at the same time. Then we went to Virginia Beach. And there, not only was we able to walk along this, see the ocean and walk along the sands, but we went parasailing. Who would have thought, 66 years old, parasailing, awesome. And then, we tried out some axe throwing. We did Panama City. We went to Shell Island and seen some dolphins and stuff. Just amazing year has gone by, and our most recent video was the Ark encounter. That is awesome place to go. Just amazing year has gone by so quickly.
Yes, and if you've never seen some of our videos that we've talked about, go through our list and you can watch them. We're looking forward to our next year on YouTube. And I know that our channel hasn't grown as fast as some of them have.
Or as fast as we would have liked.
Right. But we have met our goal, and that goal was to post 1 video a week. And we've done that. We've learned a lot along the way. We have a whole lot left to learn.
We do.
But we have learned a lot. And we really appreciate our viewers, those of you who watch our videos every week. When we post them, we really appreciate you, because every time a video is watched or liked or shared, It helps you get in that algorithm, and then YouTube suggests your videos to others, and we really appreciate the support.
Thank you guys so much.
And we're just really excited. Happy 1 year
Happy
anniversary.
1 year. We got one really big adventure coming up later this year. We're going to be so excited to share with you guys. And do we want to share that now?
We can tell them.
Okay, go ahead and tell them.
We have a trip planned, drum roll, to Ireland in October. We are so excited.
Yes.
So let's just hope, because of this crazy global pandemic, that this thing isn't canceled. The travel agent said that he is really almost 100% sure that it's going to be a go. And we're so excited
Crossing
about
our fingers.
It's our first real international trip that's not been a cruise. So we're really super excited about it.
Yes.
So excited to be celebrating today our 1 year anniversary.
Yes.
And thanks for coming along with us and supporting our channel along
guys.
the way. We'll see you next time on
Retired and Loving It.